point about the theory of curves of generation, if not anything. Okay, yeah, I'm starting with the homework status. Ashrita,
Sir, I sent it. I forgot to turn it in. I turned it in, I think, 10 minutes ago. But I did do it. I even sent the picture.
very bad, Ashrita.
Sir, it
Too
didn't
bad.
turn in. It didn't turn in because of our bad internet. So I had to turn it in again now.
Okay, now I'm showing the answer key. Pretty poor accuracy rate. Four wrong.
I think now it's something new, I guess, to few of the participants.
Okay. Doubts, please.
Sir, third one.
Okay, here. Third one, right? So, who has a doubt in this?
Sir, Ani.
Anish here, Arjav, Pawan. Okay, so how do you start? Root x is equal to, right? And then you mark no solution and move forward. Think why. After this, you don't even need to solve. You might have solved and got 19 minus 6 root 10 and mark that as an answer. Now 3 is root 9. Root 9 minus root 10 is negative. Can a negative value come out of the root? Can root of anything be negative? Root of anything is always positive. So question was done at that point. Let's say you didn't spot that. Then the second check. Square both sides. X equal to 9 plus 10 minus 6 root 10, which is 19 minus root 6 root 10. This is square root of 361. Okay. Oh, this is fine actually. This seems like working, but you get the point. Actually, yeah, this is the step which will mislead actually. Because it will give you X as this thing. 19 minus 6 root 10. Now this is a positive value. Why? Because this is root 361. This is root 360. But this is wrong. Why is it wrong? Because the question was here itself it got invalidated. Okay. Why it got invalidated here? Because this is negative. Root x cannot be negative. Hello. Now, if you're wondering that why you are getting a proper solution on squaring, reason is instead of root x is equal to 3 minus root 10, if you had root 10 minus 3. This though is a valid thing. If you square both sides, you get root 10 minus 3 ka whole square. Incidentally, that also comes 19 minus 6 root 10. So the solution which you are getting is for this equation and not this equation. Because you know the equation up front. You know which equation you are solving, right? And if you substitute, one more thing, Bhavya. If you substitute here, square root of 19 minus 6 root 10 equal to 3 minus root 10. Now, I have not taught you how to do a square root of this. But once you learn, you will realize that this left-hand side will come root 10 minus 3. And right side is 3 minus root 10. It is not satisfying. Okay. So that is why I am not asking you to go there and verify. I'm here itself. I am saying you will get no solution. Why? Because root x is equal to a negative value, which is not possible. Root of anything is always positive. Getting? Hello?
Yes, sir.
All these three problems. You have to find x in all three cases. Why are you doing on a paper?
It's the last
Rehan, correct. 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 Nihal, first one, there is a calculation mistake. Check.
Sir, what about the other two?
Others are fine.
Okay, sir.
Anish, correct. Correct.
Okay, sir.
Correct. Ashrita, correct. Sara, correct. Correct. Who has not got here? Arjun, Akash, Shishu. Online, who has not got? Sara, you showed? Yes.
Sir, I've already got it.
Abhiram,
Sir, even I have
Sir,
to do.
you have doubt, Kunal?
No, sir, I am doing.
Okay, Abhiram, next one,
Sir, yes.
last one.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's fine, Abhiram.
Okay, sir.
Kunal, what happened?
Sir, I'm stuck in the first one.
Send me where you're stuck at.
Sir, the first one I'm not getting where I messed up.
36 plus 30.
Sir, my bad.
Yeah, actually, I also didn't look into it. Kunal, how is it getting 2 into root 108?
Oh, okay, sir, I got that.
And why are you treating it as root 36? Did you treat 6 as 6 only?
Okay, sir.
Kunal got the first one?
No, sir. I'm still not getting it.
Hmm?
No, sir. I'm still not getting it.
Okay, Kunal, I will help. So first of all, this you understand, is it a valid solution or no?
Yes, sir. It is valid.
Now square both sides, left side, what will you get?
Sir, X.
Right side,
So
6
30.
square
So
minus,
minus 2 into 6 into root 30.
what does this become?
So 36 plus 30 minus 12 root 30.
36 plus 30 is?
66.
So this is the first one, okay?
So that's it.
That's it.
So I was simplifying.
We do the second, third.
So 1 second, I forgot to send you the edited one.
Fine, Nihal,
Okay, sir.
Kunal, all correct. Okay, next doubt, please.
Sir, fourth one.
Fourth one. What did you do? Do you realize that first of all, were you able to realize that this was identities case?
Yes, sir.
The first thing should be a realization that this is root x minus 5 equal to root x whole square minus 5 square.
Yes, sir.
Now, second, you need to realize that you can't cut this.
Yes, sir.
So I told something, you can bring everything on.
One side.
Now take root x minus 5 common. You get 1 minus root x plus 5 equal to this, right? Now you get two things. You get root x minus 5 equal to 0, that is this guy equal to 0, or you get 1 minus root x plus 5 equal to 0. Yes or no?
Why is the root over X and
Hmm?
always root X plus 5?
Acha, oh, sorry. here and then I copied it like that. So 1 minus root x plus. So it will be 1 minus root x minus 5 it will become. So 1, no, root x minus 5 I took common, right? So this bracket when it opens, or 1 minus root x minus 5 equal to 0. So this gives root x equal to 5, x is equal to 25, right? Or this gives minus root x is equal to 4, or root x is equal to minus 4. Now this is not x equal to 16. This is wrong. Why? Because as soon as this thing becomes negative, this is no solution. So the only solution is x equal to 25. Answer should be D.
Sir, it's showing wrong answer.
Yeah,
No,
I
it's-
realize that it's showing what A or what something is mistyped
Sir,
there.
sir, but then when you try with A, you're actually getting it.
No, you're not.
You're not. You try with 25, you won't get. Sorry, you try with 5, you won't get.
Oh, sir, my bad.
You guys realize this second bit, that why this is wrong? Because if you square both sides, you will get x equal to 16, which is wrong. You realize why it's D? Next,
Sir, fifth.
how many people realize that it's identities question? It is double identities question.
So the double
Now,
identity.
Arnav, you know A plus B whole square identity? Ashrita,
Yes. Yes, sir.
do you realize left hand side is this? So left hand
Yes.
side can be written as x plus root 5 whole square is equal to 1. Okay? Now, how many people did this? X plus root 5 equal to 1, so x equal to 1 minus root 5. And marked option A. How many people did that? Pardon? That's wrong, by the way. I will tell you how to do it.
Sir, but in this case, the problem of that minus value coming inside the root is not there, right, sir?
Yeah. So this time actually it will be two things. This or x plus root 5 equal to minus 1. So x equal to 1 minus root 5 or x equal to minus 1 minus. Okay. Why do you feel minus 1 should not be there? That's a very good question, Myra, you are asking. I am asking a counter question. That why should be this and why should we not write this is 1 or minus 1? Very good. Very good, Myra. Very good. So Myra is applying a simple logic here. And this is where you will realize how math fools you. Myra is saying, sir, what you did is square root on both the sides. Square root of x plus root 5 whole square should be x plus root 5. And square root of 1 should be positive 1 only, because I only told that root se only positive value comes out. How am I saying that it's minus 1? Getting? So that's the doubt in her mind, and it's a valid doubt. Okay. Problem, Myra, you know, is where? It is here. What did you do? Which operation did you do? On square root on both sides. You know, in math, there is no such operation. In math, there are only 4 operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Square root on both sides is not an operation. Squaring both sides is also not an operation. Or it is not really a foolproof
Sir, but
operation.
squaring on both sides is just multiplication, right, sir?
No. No. So let's discuss this as a concept, okay? What's wrong with squaring or square rooting both sides? Okay. For that, answer a simple question for me. So here is the, you can say, a question to you guys all. Question is, how many values of x satisfy the below equations? First equation I am giving is 2x plus 10 equal to 20. And second equation I am giving is x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Just try to answer this. I am sure everyone in this class can answer. You got the point basically which I was trying to make. Yeah. So how many values are here? Fine. Correct, Kunal? So how many values? Nehal, correct?
Okay, sir.
Arihant, correct? Correct. How many values I asked? Correct, Anish.
Okay, sir.
Correct. Sara, Ashrita, Viram.
Sir, sending.
Why can't negative fix about this word?
Present.
Fine, Viram.
Okay.
No, Viram, but the second case, it was x square minus 5x plus 6. You changed the question.
Oh, my bad. I'll do it again.
Sara, what about the second one?
Yes, sir, I'm sending it.
Sir, I send the second one.
Correct, Ashrita. Correct, Viram. Sara, why are you doing by hit and trial? You've forgotten the factorization. Okay, guys. When you solve it, you will get one value in this case and two values in this case. Try to understand. You have learned about degrees of equation. No? Ishani, no? Okay. Degree of equation is the highest power of variable in the equation. What is the variable in first equation? What is the power of x? 1. So what is the highest power of x? So degree 1. Does everyone understand that how first equation is degree 1?
Yes, sir.
Second equation, again x is the variable. Here it's x power 2, here it's x power 1. What is the highest power variable is taken? So it is degree 2. So the thing is that the number of solutions which you have is same as the degree. For example, here degree 1, 1 value. Here degree 2, you get 2 values. It is valid. You can get, pardon?
If we had another scenario, also the imbalance solution.
No, in that case, we will say 2 imaginary values. But okay. So number of solutions is equal to degree of equation. Okay. Now let's say you have an equation which is simply x equal to 5. What is the degree of this equation? So how is it 0? Highest power of x is 1. So this is degree 1. How many values of x? 1. Okay. Now if you whole square both sides, square both sides, this is what you will get. What is the degree here? 2. Values of x, how many? You will get 2 values of x. See how. X equal to 5 will satisfy this. Even x equal to minus 5 will satisfy this. So by squaring, what are you doing? You are changing the degree of the equation. An equation which was only supposed to have one solution is now having 2 solutions. So is squaring a fair operation? And an operation which changes the degree of equation or number of solutions of the equation is an invalid operation.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
Sir, if like the degree of the variable and the values of x are equal, then like x cube equal to 125, what are the possible values of x? Can only be
There are 3 values.
how, sir?
Just one value is this real. There are 2 imaginary values. So I have not taught you that. That's why you are saying that it will have one value, but actually x cube equal to 125. There are 3 possible values of x.
Sir, I know only two of them, sir. Like
No,
plus
you
5 and
only
minus.
you only know one of them.
So like minus 5 cubed is also 125.
No, minus 5 cube is not 125. It's minus 125.
Oh, my bad.
Sir,
So
does
you-
the logic apply for the
Huh?
sir, does the same logic apply for further powers?
For yeah. So you get it why squaring both sides is not a correct operation. Same way, if you have something like x square is equal to 49, square root both sides. What do you get? X equal to 7. But what is the problem? How many values should have been here? What is the degree here? 2. Degree 1. Here actually you will have 2 values. Which are those 2 values? 7 square and minus 7 square, both will satisfy. Here you are only left with x equal to 7, that is one value. So if you square root both sides, again you are changing the degree. So is square root both sides a fair operation? Hello? Ashrita.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So square rooting both sides is not a fair operation. You get it? Hello? No, this. So what do we do then? What do we do if square rooting both sides is not allowed? Let's say, I will show a few examples. Let's say you have x square equal to 36. You can't write x equal to 6. So what do you do? The fix is simple. Bring it on left hand side. Factorize. This is, so you get, or which gives x equal to 6 or x equal to minus 6. Getting?
So if you see not taking just about it.
Then another way, let's say if you have x square is equal to 6. Even here, if you write x equal to root 6, it's wrong. Because you are square rooting both sides. No. What is the right way to do? Bring it on left hand side. Write it as x square minus root 6 ka whole square. Then x minus root 6. X plus root 6 is equal to 0. So x equal to root 6 or x equal to negative root 6.
So the problem with the problem that happens with the size, and the size.
Yes. We have just not learned how to solve that. But there are. Getting? Yeah. Getting? So in place of square root, what do you do? Do this. Or wait, let me make it simpler to begin with. Just x plus 2 whole square is equal to 5, so solve it. Solve this. Yeah. Correct, Anish.
Okay, sir.
You squared it incorrectly. And it was not needed also. When you say x plus 2 whole square, you have done incorrectly. And as I told you, it was not needed. You could have done better than that. Kunal, correct. Correct. Nihal, it's complete nonsense.
Sir, check.
What is this? X plus 2 equal to 5. Where is the square gone? Rehan?
What, sir? I couldn't hear you.
I'm saying, where did the square go? You just said this. See, guys, bring it on the left hand side. 5 go, you can write root 5 whole square. Now this becomes x plus 2 plus root 5 into x plus 2. So you get okay. Sarah, are you getting? Because you are totally non-responsive.
Sir, I got it.
Now, based on similar things, Arihant, how did 5 became 2? Kunal, correct. 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 Sarah, correct. 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 Abhiram, correct.
Okay, sir.
Arihant, correct. Anish, correct.
Okay, sir.
Nihal, correct.
Okay, sir.
Who has not got? No. Ashruta, what's the problem?
Sir, I'm stuck.
Ashruta, do you realize this is of what form? Arnav, you also can give. No? See, this left side is an identity form. Can I say this is x square, 25 as 5 square? Plus 2 into x into 5. Do you realize this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So what do we get? A square plus b square plus 2ab, which is x plus 5 whole square. Ashruta,
Yes, sir.
now bring it to the left side. Okay. Got this, guys? Arnav, Ashruta, did you realize the system? Okay, now do another similar one.
Sir, today will the class go on until 10:30?
Not 10:30, 10:15.
Okay, sir.
Kunal, it's wrong. I will not tell the mistake. Arihant, it's not even worth talking about. It's like nonsense. 2x is this. How is x equal to 2x changed to? It's wrong. What happened?
I can get it by squaring it, but I can't get it without squaring.
It's wrong, Ashrita. I won't point out the mistake. Try to figure out on your own. Who's this? Sarah. Sarah, there is a calculation mistake, and then there is a squaring mistake, and then there is a conceptual mistake. Abhiram, I didn't ask root x, I asked x. Conceptually wrong. What's this? What did you do? Why did you do this? You complicated it. X. I want values of x, not x in terms of x.
All this wrong, but it was supposed to be two values. Right?
Nihal, it's completely wrong on 2 counts, basically.
Okay.
Okay, now there is a conceptual mistake, Arihant. It's wrong.
Sir, I sent.
Abhiram, well done. Good job.
Sir, I also sent.
Yeah, Nish, yours only I just opened. I am not able to understand what you have done in the second part. It seems to be fine, but your final answer looks wrong. Like logic seems to be fine, Anish, but answer looks wrong.
Sir, I
And
did
I'm not-
squaring on both sides.
Yeah, but still it looks wrong. Sarah, that's root x. What about x, Sarah?
So,
What
but
is
then won't we have to do squaring of both sides?
Good. That is a good question, Sarah. Because that is where the next concept was coming from.
Sir, you got it, I'm sending.
Okay, guys.
Sir, I sent it.
This gives you root x is equal to -2 minus root 10. And this gives you yes or no? One second, guys. There's an urgent call. हेलो हाँ चलो जी कुछ अर्जेंट तो नहीं मैं क्लास में हूँ हाँ अच्छा मैं बाद में बात करता हूँ डिटेल में करना पड़ेगा थोड़ा सा बात हाँ 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 कल बात दिन में खाली हूँ कल 11 बजे 10 मैं कॉल कर लूंगा आपको
Sir, I sent it. Is it right?
Yes, it is right, Tanish. Okay, now guys, this is an invalid solution anyways. Why is it invalid? Because square root of anything cannot be negative. Only this is a valid solution, but here also it's root x. Now, Sarah,
Yes, sir.
you asked a very good question here. You said that sir, now I will have to square both sides to get the value of x, isn't it? So I'm changing the degree
Yes.
of equation. That is something which we should not do. Squaring both sides, we should not do.
Sir, like the degree is half, but we don't get half answer right, sir. So
-2, acha, okay. So Sarah, that's what you are saying, right? That we should not square both sides, right, Sarah?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So try to understand that if we square both sides, we get this, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What is the disadvantage of squaring both sides? The number of values double, right?
Yes.
That was the problem. Number of values double. So, but you can look at what do the number of values become. So when you square both sides, how do the number of values double? You will now get two possible values. How? You can write like this. Yes or no? And root x plus root 10 minus 2. Right, Sarah?
Yes.
Hello? So you
Yes,
will get root x is equal to root 10 minus 2, or you will get root x equal to minus root 10 plus 2. Right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So this guy, if I am squaring, it is giving answer for this as well as this. Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir. But still a square root of x, right?
No. I am saying this thing on squaring. We got
Yes,
this,
sir.
right?
Yes.
What was the problem introduced because of the squaring? The problem introduced because of the squaring was that I had only one equation in root x, but when I solved this, I started getting two equations in root x.
Yes, sir.
Getting?
Yes, sir.
So now keep a note of this, that the answer which we will get on squaring will not be for one equation of x, but it will be for two equations of x. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So x is equal to 10 plus 4 minus 4 root 10, which is 14 minus 4 root 10. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So x is equal to 14 minus 4 root 10 is answer to which two equations? First one, root x is equal to root 10 minus 2, and root x is equal to 2 minus root 10. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now there are two parts, two things to consider here, Sarah. First thing is that is this the solution to this equation or no?
Sir, yes.
It is, right?
Yes.
We had to solve this equation, so that does not change anything. Yes or no?
Yes.
The problem is that this is also the solution to this equation.
Yes.
That is not really a problem. It's okay. Something can be a solution to two different equations. For example, x plus 1 equal to 0, and you can say 2x plus 2 equal to 0. Both cases you will get x equal to minus 1. So you
Yes.
can have same solution to two equations or no? Just like x equal to minus 1 is a solution to this equation as well as this equation.
Yes.
So one thing is there is nothing wrong in it. Second thing is that this is anyways an invalid equation. Why is it invalid?
So because it's gonna be negative.
Yeah. Getting? So does this, so my question was that I wanted solution to this equation. Na? Is this not the solution to this equation?
So it is.
It is. Getting?
Yes.
So squaring, if you do, what should you do? You should always verify. Because squaring, you saw the impact of squaring,
Yes.
that it gives you what?
They can give two values
Yes.
or degree.
But if you verify that which value is correct, then you are good. Hello?
Yes.
Do this. Or wait. Guys, I've changed the question. Wait, guys, sorry. I'm making it one again. Or no, I don't want to make it one. Root 2. Oh, that's better. Or 2.
Sir, that's mental abuse.
No, I'm just saying it is mental abuse, yes. Okay, I'm changing the question. X plus 9 plus 6 root x is equal to 2. Now it is fine. Yes. Final. This. X plus 9 minus 6. Now I'm not going to change. Sorry. Like, and by the way, middle term is 9. I hope you realize this is, I'm not changing. I'm just rewriting it properly. Sorry for the mental abuse. Shut up.
Sir, are you
Nori.
doing that Sir, are you doing that intentionally?
Correct, Kunal. Arihant, right side, root 2 was there. You're writing root 2 as 2.
Okay.
Abhiram, it's wrong because this is not the whole square of root x plus 3. Think.
So that's minus. Okay.
Anish, correct?
Okay, sir.
I didn't understand. Where have you started? Achha, this is. How did it become x plus 7? Achha, you brought it here. That's it. Overcomplicated it, Bhavya. You could have directly used this as an identity because that's what ultimately you will do, and it is correct also. There is nothing wrong also. So why are you stuck? That's it. Yeah, Rihan. But you overcomplicated it. You could have at first stage itself understood that rather than bringing 2 to the left side, you could have understood that this is an identity. Correct, Sarah? Abhiram, correct. Who has not got this? Arnav, Ashrita,
Sir, I'm sending.
Arnav C. X can be written as Arnav. Arnav X can be written as 9 can be written as 6 root x can be written as 2 into. Okay. So this becomes which identity? A square plus b square minus. So what does that become? A minus b whole square, which is same as Can I write now this as root 2 square? Ashrita, I want participation from you.
Yes, sir.
Ashrita, do you understand that identity bit or are you confused?
Sir, I understand.
Okay. Now what will it become?
9. Isn't it plus 9?
A 9? Where is 9? There is no 9.
Okay, minus 3.
Root x minus what? After what?
Huh?
What will
Sir,
this factorize to now? Which identity is this now?
x minus 3 minus 2 root 2 into root x minus 3 plus root 2 is equal to 0.
So
Uh,
root x is equal to
plus 3 plus root 2.
or
Uh, plus 3 minus root 2.
as a result, is this a valid solution?
Yes.
So how will you get x?
X is it root 3 squared?
No, no. How do you get x from root x? What are you doing? You are squaring. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So what will happen?
9
9 plus
plus 2
plus
plus 2 into 3 into root 2.
which becomes 11 plus
11 plus 6 root 2.
here this one
9 9
First of
Plus-
all, tell me this is valid or not valid.
Yes, it is
9 plus
2. Plus 2 into
minus 2 into
3, 11 minus 6 root 2.
okay.
Yes, sir.
So two values of x, you got it. Hello.
Yes, sir.
This time both are valid. Arnav,
Yes.
Ishani, Arjav. Fine. Assignment, a bit of discussion is still pending. We'll continue it on Friday. No.